I would like to talk about the truth about relaxation in acting. As an actor, have you been told over and over again, just relax? In this video, I will explore the difference between what I refer to as general relaxation and a new way of looking at the issue when it comes to serving you while you're in the character and in the circumstances of the scene. Every actor has heard it somewhere along your journey. Just relax. You have too much tension in your work. There's too much tension in your shoulders. There's too much tension in your back. There's too much tension in your jaw and in your face. Just relax. And we try. We do breathing exercises. We do relaxation exercises. We explore the Alexander technique. We lie on the floor and fall asleep during a Strasberg relaxation exercise. But let's try to get a little bit more specific. What do you do when none of these seem to make any sense or seem to serve you when you have a character and when you're actually doing the scene? Let's find a more specific way to look at the terminology of relaxation. Let's start with what relaxation means for the actor. The first thing is your body, your physical being, is your instrument. And in terms of how relaxation is important for your instrument, remember that relaxation is not just a passive thing. In acting, relaxation should be purposeful, and it should serve what the actor needs for the given circumstances of the scene. It becomes a way for the character to move through you. And that's when relaxation is truly a partner for us. As the legendary Russian acting teacher Konstantin Stanislavski said, muscular tautness interferes with emotional expressiveness. In other words, your body or your instrument cannot respond to emotional impulses that flow through you because tension blocks the flow. Here's where relaxation, just in a general sense, is not enough. While relaxation is important, over time, many actors realize it's not enough. You may relate to this. You're working on a scene, you're working on a character, you did a huge amount of relaxation exercises before you did the scene or before you stepped into rehearsal, and something still feels stiff or you still feel blocked. Now, why is that? The reason why is because general relaxation, when it's just general, doesn't help you with how to connect to the circumstances of the scene. It doesn't show you where to release the tension or what to release the tension into. That is the moment of opportunity, and that's where your craft and a deep understanding of your craft comes into play. This is where your preparation, your emotional memory, your personalization, your sensory work, that's where those very important things come into play and can help you with what it means to release your tension in a way that serves the character. So this brings me to a new way of describing relaxation. Rather than use the term relaxing, why not think about it as releasing? My mentor, Susan Batson, said something that stuck with me for life. She didn't talk about relaxation in the way that most teachers do. She talked about releasing. She would say things like, release into the work, or release your tension into that memory that you're connecting to for the character, or release your tension into the objective, or release your tension into the moment. And she never did general relaxation exercises, and neither do I. Why? Because they didn't serve the work unless they were connected to the core of emotional truth that needed to be alive inside of the character. Imagine this. You're playing a mother that just lost her child. You can't approach that with general tension, nor can you approach it with a calmness of any kind whatsoever. You have to find a way to release your tension into the grief, into the desperation, into the loss, or into the fear of whatever that character is going through. So therefore, releasing as opposed to relaxing is a whole different way of looking at your physical tension. It becomes a way of channeling your energy into your imagination and into the character. And then something very magical happens and you experience something so powerful that sometimes it's hard to believe that it came out of you, which is you create intimacy in your work. It is something that becomes revealed through the releasing of your tension into something that specific and that powerful and that deep. It becomes so much more useful, and it serves your imagination and helps you strengthen your belief system in the circumstances. So in your craft, that becomes the ultimate goal when you think of relaxation in a new way. It's not just about eliminating tension in a general way. It's about transforming yourself. So the next time you're in rehearsal or working on this issue for yourself, don't ask yourself, am I relaxed? Instead, ask yourself, where can I release my tension? When you learn to release, you free yourself. You free the character. And most importantly, you free the story. So relaxation isn't the goal, truth is. And the path to truth starts with release. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.